tough to say what the best hotel in Miami is for Virgin Voyages because everyone has their preference. Mine is the Holiday Inn Port of Miami, which is right downtown. It's directly across from Bayside, which gives you a ton of food options. It's near a CVS, so you can get that last minute necessities you missed, a liquor store, and you're really close to Terminal B, which is great. Some of the positives: really close to restaurants within walking distance. You got free and public transportation available right in front of the hotel. And you've got the view of the port in Terminal V. Some of the things I don't like, though: it is an older hotel. The rooms are a bit dated. Rooms on the lower floors can even be worse for wear, so avoid those if possible, but the price reflects that. Some strategy things: if you're an IHG member, of course, ask for the late checkout. It's perfect for Virgin. Never book through a third-party site. Go through the hotel. You get a little better treatment, and keep those rooms on the upper floors. Hey, here's some room tours for you. Check them out. Room 808 in the Holiday Inn, Port of Miami, right across from the Bayside with view of the terminals. This is the 2 full-size bed setup. I'm here in room 808 of the Holiday Inn, and this has got kind of a little lip on it here as you go into the bathroom. Better watch out for that. And there's a corner of the sink here, and I'm starting to wonder how many people may have lost their lives by cracking their head into the corner and dying. The hotel probably won't give me that information, but I just want to give you a little heads up. The Holiday Inn, 10th floor. Got a really big closet here. Bathroom. It's a much longer room, so you have more space. A nice desk area over here. Sitting area. And the view. So this is room 1003 in the Holiday Inn. King size bed. This bed is softer than the 1006, which we're also in. So that bed is much firmer. This is a softer mattress. And 10th floor, directly across from Bayside. All right, rooms 1001 to 1003 are a little bit smaller on the top floor because of the doors are inset. You can see the other ones have a little more space, and you'll see that in the room.
Check out my books and videos about Virgin Voyages on my website.